Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and there are some sizzling steals and deals happening right now at Spellbinders, and they are good. So in this video, I'm going to go as fast as I can. Also, I'm going to do the video in segments. We're going to start off with the Spellbinders dollar spot, kind of like a Target dollar spot. So they have lots of stuff for $1. I don't have many of it here in hand, but you can definitely take a look at that. Then we'll do the things that are marked off more than 50% off, like way down. Then there are some items that are 50% off. And what I'm going to show you in this video is what I will call my notables. Things that you may want to really take a second look at, like, oh, I've been wanting that, and yeah, maybe this is the time. I do want to say something about some of the things I'll show you, especially some of the Kit Club items. Not because it's a past Kit Club item means that it'll be there in stock indefinitely. They do hold them for a while, and then sometimes they disappear and then they don't come back. So I've shown a few Kit Club items that I've used over and over again, die sets, embossing folders. Mostly in this video is going to be die sets that are marked off at a steal anyway. This might be the time you want to get it before we start going into 2023. And then, you know, they did the warehouse sale. They did empty out a lot of their warehouse. Some of it is now going to be shown here. This might be the time you want to do it before the year ends. And then you're going to have to go get it third party at more than what it was selling retail for. Keep that in mind. Just saying, okay? Everything that I'll show you in the examples will be listed below. I'll also try my best to show you some little quick card examples too. I'm not going to do measurements though. Measurements are listed with the item. Alrighty, let's just get started. Dollar spot. All right, so the dollar spot, one die I saw in there is the Peach Blossom die set. This is a die set in collaboration with Susan Tierney Cockburn, and you can make a cute peach blossom. $1. Why not? It is originally, I think, $14.99, so that's like $15 to $1. In the dollar spot also, you're going to see a lot of embellishments, so you can definitely check that out. A lot of little dangles and stuff. I'm going to put a direct link for the dollar spot, so all the dollar items will list first, okay? So Peach Blossom, super cute. Why not have fun and play? Make some lifelike florals. Kind of like this one, but this one is from her winter one. That's cute, right? Okay, crafters, so I just talked about the dollar spot, but I want to also add some machines are on sale. The original Spellbinders Platinum 6 is on sale. The original Spellbinders Platinum machine and the Glimmer machine. All three are on sale, but that's a good deal. Alrighty, moving on. I did see one oversized embossing folder. This one I believe is $3. This plus this. So it's plus signs. If this speaks to you, go ahead. I might use it for something baking. It does have a baking feel, doesn't it, with the plus sign? That's something you might want to look into. I will link it below, this plus this. Now let's talk about items that are marked more than 50% off. Ooh, my first two that I'm like, oh my goodness. There are more to this set. There's a Merry Christmas and all that, but those are not marked off. What is marked off? And this is coming in from $19.99 each set. This is a stamp and die set. These are now coming in at $6 each. So you can get 2 for $12 and you're still under the $19 for one. Aha! Steal. You would stamp out happy birthday, then cut it out with a coordinating die, or thank you coordinating die, and then look at all these cute sentiments to go with it. You can use these in tags, and of course there is the assorted tags from Spellbinders. I'll put that link with this then so you can take a look. You could fit these in that would be great. Let me show you two of my examples of that happy birthday. There you go, stamped out. Okay, and then the from all of us right here, that's right there. I usually do stamp and heat emboss, but you don't have to. Cute. So these two are winners. Many birthdays, many thanks. Out the gate winners. Done. Next, that's marked down more than 50 off. This one is the layered mix and match sentiment small die of the month from September of 2021. This one normally retails for $27. It is now $8. With these word dies, you're getting both the shadow and the word. Here you have happy birthday, hello, for you. There's two, love and thanks. And then some florals. out the gate winner again. I will link everything below in order that I'm showing it in the video, okay? Super cute font too. Love. Great sizing on that happy birthday as well. And there you go with that thank you. Layered mix and match sentiments. Next, I was surprised to see this. This one is the thank you for your kindness. Love. I do have an example of it. So this one you're going to get. Thank you. There it is. That back panel, here it is. This is designed by Becca Feakin. Normally $26.99 is now on sale for $8.10. Hello. Whole set. You can do the kindness for, so you are, and here I have it on this cute card, ready to go as a gift for somebody. Thank you for your kindness. Moving on. Now we have some hexagon on sale. One is a die of the month. One is not. This one is called, one of my favorites actually, Kaleidoscope Argyle. Normally $27. Again, marked down to $8. There is an example of it. You can do the whole thing. I still keep saying I'm going to do this whole 3-piece and do like the example here in the back. Look at that. It's a layering die. And you play with colors, and that's it on this card. Super duper cute. Love this. That one, definite winner. Great for masculine cards too, with this geometric going on. Kaleidoscope Argyle, okay? Next, hexagon tile. I have an example of it. I just don't have it here. I couldn't find it. Oh, wait a second. I see another one here with the kind. You are kind. Coming back into this die set. That's the kind, okay? With a bird. Yeah, a lot of you enjoyed the birds that I showed recently from the advent calendar. This one I think is Sweet Birdie, maybe? Cute. But anyway, I digress. Hex Kaleidoscope. Awesome. Fabulous. Gorgeous. You can layer it up like this, or you can play with the tiles. I normally just play with the tiles. How you play with both of these sets, actually, you start off with the most loosely layer. That's the bottom. And then you layer up the middle and then the top with the details. Okay? Totally worth it. This one, $21.99 on sale, $6.60. Come on. At least get one and try it and go, oh. And they're both great for masculine cards because of the geometric shapes going on, okay? Now let's look at things that are normally $40 and now $10. Runaway hit. Should have been the first thing I showed you, but I had to talk about that dollar spot and the more than 50 off. You guys have seen her in action over and over again. I am telling you, she is worth it. This one is the mini slimline envelope and nested card creator. It is a die of the month from July of 2021. Will this always be there in store? I don't know, and I cannot promise it. If you've been looking at it, it's now from 40 to 10. This might be the time. At Spellbinders, if you reach $100, you'll get free shipping. If you stay under 50, the shipping will be low. If you go over 50, the shipping kind of gets up there. But keep in mind, you can also add other brands that is not Spellbinders brands. For example, the Misty. They even have some new markers too. Some Olo markers, like alcohol markers with the thing. I'll put a link for the alcohol markers. You know, you can mix and match and then maybe add some cardstock and bring it up to that 100 and get the free shipping. But this one here is a must add to your cart. Another thing about this wonderful die set, which layers up all those layering bits, and you can make a cute envelope. You can use it as a money holder. There you go. Put a 20 in there. Fabulous. Fabulous. Love. Out the gate winner. $10. Next one for $10, which I was shocked. This is so cute. Again, this is another Spellbinders exclusive from their kit club. Say Cheese. This is from April of this year. You make that cute camera. Hello. This would be great for cards for teenagers and folks like that. You give them a standard card, they're like, whatever. This might be very cute for them. Even though it's a vintage camera, teens these days, they like the new stuff and then they also like some vintage things. I think this would be pretty depending on the colorway that you go. Super duper cute. And you get florals too. Look at all the florals that you get. As you can see, I bought it from the kit club and I haven't played with it yet. I need to though. So this one, Say Cheese camera, $10 from 40. Another one, $10 from 40. Actually, another two. I showed you this the other day. This one is called the Universal Curved Border Set. Notice the packaging. April of 21. This one might be going out the door. I just used it on an example here. And I said at the time, this goes on sale from time to time. Put it in your cart. Here it is now on sale. Comes with all these add-ins to make a slimline card. You don't have to do it that way. You can always crop it down for an A2, and then you get the florals. I have an example here that I was making in the back. When I say crop it down, just do a cut here. This is also great for mini album makers. You guys can use this on your edging. So this is a great die set to have. $10 from 40. And you can just use the florals alone like I did on this example. It's Sister, which is a great sister. Christmas foliage strips. I have used these bits right here. Great foliage right here. Love this. Been playing with that poinsettia. Here, you can make that same edging again with these drop-ins. Create different edges. And here is an example here on the back. You see it? Love, 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 love. This one, $10. Christmas foliage strip. This one is from November of 21. Notice how you're not seeing like 2020 and 2019 and all that. Keep that in mind. Yeah, I'm stressing it. You know, you'll see it now and you're like, oh, well, get it next year and da-da-da-da. You go back and it's not there. This one is another winner. September 21, just a tweet. So cute. You can make a bird. Here is an example. You can make that bird. And they show you how to put it together too. The bird is a little bit bigger than some of the birds that I've been showing you. See? The sizing is just a little bigger. So that alone is great right here. You're getting a lot with the bird. You're getting balloons. You're getting music notes. You're getting sentiments with the shadow. Also florals. Fabulous set. $10 from 40. And it also coordinates with this. These two came out at the same time. September 21. So these can play with that. Okay? So you can do just a note and on the inside, thank you, and all of that type of goodies. You can mix and match these florals. These two go together. 10, and this one I believe I told you was 8. $18 for two set that come in well over 50. Next set, typewriter. If you love this type of look, this would be super cute on the cover of a mini album or for your scrapbook layouts or on a cute card. But it does take up space on a card, the typewriter, okay? This one is typing class. You get lots of florals. And then in here you can do the drop-ins. Thanks, happy, birthday, a note to say. Very cute. $10 from 40. Last one, $10 from 40. And I bought this one. Oh, well, I bought all of them, actually. I think the only thing I didn't purchase myself was this one. Thank you for your kindness. This one, pop-up 3D vignette watering can bouquet. Super pretty. Get this one ready for Mother's Day, birthdays, anytime you need something for somebody that you know would love this type of style. Pretty, pretty, pretty. You're going to get all this embossed detail with the flourishes. Super cute florals. And you notice the sizing is a little bit bigger. This is almost like 1.5 inch. Super duper cute. So you can put this on a card and there is instructions on it. What a steal. You can use separate parts from it or do the whole thing together. Pop-up 3D watering can bouquet. Love. April of this year. Moving on. Next we have 50% off. I have 2 of them. And then I'm pretty much done. We have the Scallop Symphony note card. You guys have seen an example of this recently. It's a die set that looks like, oh, it's only 4 pieces. It's 10 pieces. There's layering. It makes a super cute, like 4-inch note card. This now is from the advent calendar with the stamp, but you layer it up. You can either go circle or this square shape and have a ton of fun. And I love that when you do fold it in half, there's that score line. Look how it matches straight through. You know how many dies when you fold it and you have this type of detail, it'll be off? This is a fantastic die set. Super cute. Scallop Symphony note card. This one is coming in at $15. So originally it's $30. You go to work, you want to give thank you cards to everybody. This is a great little die set to personalize and make. And then why not fold this in half, have a circle, come back in with that thank you. Look at that. There you go. Somebody's birthday is coming. Fold this in half, do happy birthday. Doesn't have to be every single time this huge professional card. You can do the note card. Some people, for them, this is enough. You made it, it's simple, it's cute, to the point, and I think these 2 stamp and die set plus this die set handles a lot, actually. Next, Blossoming Slimline. This one is fabulous. We got all that detail with that drop-in. Look at that. This, I had cut this piece. I popped out all the middle bits, and then you could put in here again. We can just do birthday in here. We can do thank you in here. Mix and match and play with your set. This one, fabulous. This is a slim line, so this is going to be 8.5 inch tall, okay? Blossoming slim line. Love. Alrighty, crafters. Hope you enjoy the sizzling fire sale that's happening at Spellbinders. It's a good one. This one is reminding me of like their warehouse sale, all right? So take a peek, shop around, especially when it comes to these club ones. These are the ones that you want to be mindful of. I would highly suggest you get them sooner than later, okay? Alrighty, crafters, until the next video. Happy shopping, my friends. This is a good sale. Yeah. 2 thumbs up. Bye.